Hi, are you looking to grow your Amazon sales, but your listing is struggling to generate rankings, get good ads performance, and turn shoppers into sales? If you need a stellar listing that sells, you're in the right place. Hi, as a digital marketer and 18-year SEO and conversion rate optimization expert, I know how to get you more buyers. I'm an entrepreneur, adjunct instructor for major universities, an e-commerce seller, and I run CRO Digital Marketing, a growth marketing agency that jumpstarts business growth. I've helped hundreds of businesses from big corporate brands to small businesses optimize their listings through my conversion-focused, data-driven, and buyer psychology approach to marketing. I will optimize your listing to increase sales that not only matches the logical buying criteria that buyers are looking for, but especially appeal to the emotions that we use as part of 90% of our purchase decision. I will help you reach your growth goals with the listing optimization you need to turn it into a best-selling product in your category. Message me to get started and let's get to work.